Hello everyone, today I was cleaning and I realized that my bleach is 2.5 years old. According to the bottle, the expiration date is 2 years after the production, so today we will be testing its effectiveness at killing germs under the microscope. I diluted it using 1:20 ratio, as that's what it says on the bottle. This is the bacteria sample that we will be using. Today we will have a different approach than in my last video. So on the same microscope slide I will prepare two samples. For the first one we will mix bacteria and bleach solution directly, while for the other one I will add a cover slip first and then some bleach to the side of it so we can see the process of mixing under the microscope. Here you can see me adding bleach to the side of it. This is how the sample looked before the experiment. Just some bacteria happily swimming. And this is how it looks once the bleach solution is added to it. You can see the wave passing through from the bottom right to the top left corner. I'm going to speed up the footage for you. And this is how it looks a few minutes later. The only movement you can see is due to the Brownian motion, and also me hitting the table by accident. So does this mean that the bleach doesn't have an expiration date? No, it doesn't. But an easy way to tell that it's still good is to use your nose. If it still smells like bleach, then it's most likely still usable. I'm going to redo the experiment now so you can see it again. And a few minutes later you can see thousands of dead bacteria getting pushed by bleach. Here you can clearly see how effective it is. It's been around 20 minutes and we're going to check what is under the first cover slip, one where we mixed everything directly. Results are obvious. Bleach is definitely one of the best products when it comes to cleaning. Just please be careful and follow the instructions when you're using it. And also let me know in the comments what would you like to see next.